woman, you're the one I got to hold. Need you will move like never before. And when you're with me, I feel so safe and secure. I need you will move like never before. Give you all I got and I'm rise to the occasion. Make some noise if you love Sizzla Kalonji. Listen up. Don't you matter what the people might say. You're the one you want I ever receive. I need you, girl, every night and day to give my love every day. Hey, so let us stay together. We can make things better. Look at the joy you bring. Life is what I prefer. Goodness is what I prefer. To try to win the way. See, friends, come and tell you words. Listen, girl, you ain't not the one that you did. I can't hear you, so let me. Both of us will want this and love come first, don't you know? One night, sing, I like never before. Pull up! Greetings, rise to the occasion. My name is Jesse Ryan. A very humble student of Sizzla Kalonji. And I am here to say that we are grateful for all the lessons and blessings that Sizzla has brought to earth. A few generation Marcus Garvey. If you love Sizzla Kalonji, make some noise! One dada. If you have a real friend, bust a black car, we have about the fake one. So hear me now. Some people you right, dance and them we still choose to show you hate. So why you do it? Run them out of your yard. Come here, me up. Jump, stand up for them back. Some people gritty. We know. Mister, we're going bad man. We're going crosses. We're going wicked hard people. I love how the woman now we are here. So hear me now. And some of people you will pray. Dance and them will still choose to show you hate. So why you do it? Run them out to you. Rise to the occasion. Me want to hear you sing. Right. Stand up for them back. Some people critical too. We call them man and day. For them as brothers up. We can't hear you. Them are back. Some people critical too. What? We call them man and day. For them as brothers up. Take it out. Some people say, why should I be afraid of you when you bleed just like I do? Before them try to find out judge and let it keep on shining through and so on. Got no time for you. Cause it's not over if you wanna step in and we show you we should never live and lose. So them are confused. For every day you wake your head big and you know you're paid. And every step you take I bring you closer to your grave. But Sizzla is a column we not easily shake. We start to say up and we know not who no can't take. We guided by the master. The master. Yeah. Send up for them a backbiters. Some people critical to silence. We call them modern day. For them a friend check it out. Run and well. How many nights in coffee at work? Yes. He sit down back up and the toolbox full. Hey, the magazine in and the toolbox full. Mix. And then he's watching as the days go by. Hey, and then he's watching as the years all die. Sleeping with the rifle across his chest. And so we never get stopped. Alright, check it out. As I said before, we represent a generation that was inspired by Sizzla Kalonji. You know what I mean? So this is my brother drop him album and I'm active again. Me drop my album in active. Woman drop her album in active. So we're gonna sing it in the chronic spirit, see? Let's go! So me say here comes trouble, here comes the same body. Sing it, make him hear you know. Me say sing it, make him hear you know. Aye! Here comes trouble, here comes the danger. Saved by the Savior, welcome the Rasta, yo. Welcome. That's a new school, this a old school. Even now. World of reggae music on your head. Keep you rocking with your dog. You know what I'm saying? One of my brothers Steve can come bless up the people little bit. But my brother Rasta there. Rasta, come talk to the people there, come on. Reggae music alive and well. You. Rise to the affairs and greeting. Oh yeah, one job. Dada, them a call you one down. Because I love you, I use come on the line. Ready now, we show the youth them a plan. Because I time when we move up the rocks, so by now, the world know we are tenor. Because we hope the youth to live better. We say the world already have enough stepper. Show them a different way to stop cheddar. Because I king man live, you have to live on the king man live. I'm gonna tell you, say one more thing. Take me somewhere wonderful. Oh, no, so tired. I love it. Reggae God. Outside. Outside. Let me some nice. One firehouse, man. Yeah. Let me say, me have to play one more song, so me have to run it. Alright. Run it! We're gonna test if we love reggae music. When I say Sizzla, you say Kalonji, see? Sizzla! Leave it out! No king no screaming at your circle. Them boy they come from every angle, that's not hurt you. Oh, hey! It's only lions in the mind in. No signal, no rat can be my friend in. Wealthy, cause when I build up a currency with no worship vanity, unity is our sanity. Still rolling like gravity. More from your family. Hey! We are the lion, them good. We see the money, man, I want some marijuana. What's in the soul, one they read a couple psalms. Every man can't clean, no one wants it drama. But I still have skills, couple like a mania. Rise to the occasion. We are the lion, them gold. Yes, we are the lion, them. My name is Jesse Riot. It was my pleasure being here with you tonight. May Jack continue to guide God and protect all of the items. Sizzla, we're grateful for you. One dada.
Give it up for Jesse Riot.
There's nothing in them system of which they create all around us. Criticize their own naive traders, they won't catch and just grow if they were to drown us. They not different from those scribes and Pharisees who come around. They lurks in the corners, sky talk in the street, flirts in the towns. They never do positive. They always find joy making people business they around. Dance a yard before you dance abroad. If you love sisters, say bro. But I'm not get good ways, true prayers. Burn me pass, I can't days. What's about your good ways? The length of this. Oh, I want to say good days, true prayers. Burn me pass, I can't guess. But now we have some good ways. If you love Sizzla, say fire. I watch them now, I chat about them, this, them, that. Who slick from who slack, well, them say master. Well, anything else when we come amongst the rubbish and trash, well. And that them practice, the same thing them never yet know when we stop. Pull up a bad mind. Then I was so, when you want to say your bread that drop, I go and have some good ways, true prayers. Burn me pass, I can't guess. Man, I have some good ways, true prayers. Oh, yeah, yes. I can have good ways, true prayers. Where are you at? stand that the way that you got way. If you know you're real, let me see you move, jump, jump, jump. I jump, 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 jump. Well, you know me done that something that me want to make close and me. I know shirts and me bend for rain. I red, green and golden in. Alright then, I will be stepping on the scene. You know me done that something that me want to make close and me. If you want lyrics and lyrics, one drop. I never pray and never penny me. Say them I listen lassie and they sending me. I weak it out. Me say no for them try friendly with them. Would I never hit a chance if them try study me. I me say free yourself. Most I cause. We did what we put your on pause. But I'm an apple. I listen lassie I love horse. With berry pommy and the rust about in a voice on. I can tell you I try to chat you when them see me step in. They belong to them see me and me sexy way. When them get the from and tell me Rasta don't feel okay. I be more expert. You know me done that song. So, when you hear me I sing reggae music, you know say Sizzla Kalonji. If you love Sizzla Kalonji, me get a college, let me sing like so. Let me see your hand. Push them up. 30 years of music is big. Let me see you push up your hand like so if you love Sizzla Kalonji. Firehouse. Mountain, all this last year, I love the cakes and songs for them. I'm a dwelling from Jacob. Yes, this is Ibamar from a bar, yeah. Wait, yeah. So great is it. I know how great is the King of all. Alright, yeah. So great is it. I know how, yes. When you had move it. Alright, keeper of life, like the water. And bread, rain, and go out. I know best, let's go out. White markers, I prophecy the east and go out. Alright then, I never you're waiting for the time is no out. Now wait until the judgment come. I tomorrow never forward. No. Tomorrow never forward. Alright again and tell the way. Guessing my father's house. Baby and shows. I think it wasn't so. Yes, I wouldn't say so out. No, out. I guess the four I guess the king of all kings will all. They don't. So, me come from Linstead, St. Catherine. I'm a brethren come from Spanish Town, St. Catherine. If you want my friend Bonnie down, say fire! Israel! Reggae. Blessed love. I'm fire, you know. You are we call God. Yeah. Big up Sizzla, I'll be a fire, my man. You are we call God. Sure, I will call God. Look like from 2000, I'll be a little culture man. You are we call God. Japanese, I say she touch Japan. Balance, things set away umbre. You know, see how we talk avant. Yo, the thing change up. Yeah, switch round. Then dangerous, so I see the kids drawn. And you really have your kid a listen big clown. So you know what got when the kid grown. Fully influenced by the phone. Him a 13 with a 14 with 6 rounds. So you know from your ear say the 6 rounds down. Just close for the kick down. That I know me culture dad. Whisper. I'm a don't spot and do witchcraft. The body I get me pissed off every time you mention the thing I get a lick. And I know culture that dog whisper. But I don't spot and do witchcraft. And the body I get easy pissed off. Look like him and them busy at work. And the daddy them busy asleep. Can't even send me picnic go church. Cause the pastime they are free. The politician even worse. Them too busy at thief. And me a tell them me heart when you see all the future please. I know the culture that whisper. To the fire burning red. Sizzla, yeah my God, you know that already.
song then I'm showing you. Yeah, the man say where the culture gone. Wanna hear when I say another song? You know Sizzla inspired them.